Let's take a gander at this bad boy. Now, this one I kind of avoided for a while because it just seemed like it seemed kind of silly. But you know, sometimes you gotta try things out. So hear me out. It was everywhere. I mean, for one day, I think I saw like 7 people on live with these, and they had thousands of people in there watching their video. And I was like, what the heck? How interesting could this tool possibly be? Well, let's find out.
Nice. That's pretty handy. I like it.
It could trim up little things like this guy here. This limb's gonna eventually grow down and be in my path when I'm mowing. So usually I use some loppers for this, but let's see if it can handle tiny stuff. Focus. Nothing, like it was nothing. I dig it. I dig it. That's kind of handy. Listen to that wind. Got a bunch of these little guys. I just like to get rid of them, you know.